Hello, today we will guide you through how to archive Outlook emails. To get started, open the classic version of Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Make sure you are using the desktop application, since the menu options for archiving can look different in the web version or newer interface layouts. Once Outlook is open, give it a moment to fully load your mailbox and folders so everything is visible and ready to use. Next, look to the top left corner of the Outlook window and click File. This opens the main account and settings area where you can access tools related to mailbox management, including archive options. If you do not usually work in this section, take your time here because several useful mailbox maintenance settings are grouped together. After that, click on Tools. In some Outlook setups, this appears within the file area as part of the cleanup and maintenance options. This is where Outlook provides features to help manage mailbox size and organize older content more efficiently. From there, select Clean up old items. This opens the Archive settings window. The Archive feature is helpful when you want to reduce clutter in your active mailbox while still keeping older emails available for future reference. Instead of deleting messages, archiving moves them based on the criteria you choose. In the Archive window, select the folder you want to archive. For example, you might choose a sample folder, such as your inbox or another mail folder that contains older messages. Be careful to choose the correct folder, since Outlook will archive items from the location you select. If the folder includes subfolders and Outlook shows that option, archiving may also apply to those related folders depending on the settings displayed. Now choose the date you want Outlook to use for archiving. This date determines which emails are considered old enough to move into the archive. Typically, any items older than the date you select will be included. It is a good idea to pause for a moment and confirm the date carefully, since this setting controls exactly which messages are affected. Once you have selected the folder and the date, click OK to begin the archive process. Outlook will then process the request and move the eligible emails into the archive file. Depending on the size of the folder and the number of messages, this may take a few moments. After the process finishes, you can review your mailbox and archive folders to confirm everything looks correct. And that is how to archive Outlook emails using Outlook Classic.